Hello, my name is Nicola and I'm a Fashion and Textile Design Lecturer from Weston College. I'm going to be showing you how to make a 5-minute protection mask today. So this is an ideal project if you are still working in a school or you have a DT project that you want to encourage children to actually make, or you might just want to help a community project. So we're going to be making one of these today that's just made from bits that I found in my house, to be honest. I'm sure that if you haven't got these bits at home, you can order them from Amazon, or you might even ask a neighbour. So this is the protection mask I've made. So to measure your head, if you measure the circumference of your head, which mine comes to 21, you're then just going to take your elastic and measure 21 inches or centimetres, however you prefer to work. So you just cut that 21 inches ready for your headband. Ready? Should we see if it works?
Yeah.
There you go then. Test it. See, and toddler proof. If you are interested in any more online courses or any how-to videos, then click on the link below and head over and see some of my students' tutorials. Please remember your social distancing, stay safe and be kind. Thank you.